Opportunity knocks for this single-story home in the southwestern branch. Ranch-style home features spacious open floor plan, great room with vaulted ceiling and formal dining room. Expansive kitchen boasts custom cabinetry with an island/additional seating, recessed lighting, stainless steel appliances and a breakfast nook. Common living areas and master bedroom feature laminate flooring. Fabulous master suite with walk-in closet and a bonus seating area with access to the back patio. Luxury master bath features heated flooring, garden tub, and dual vanities. Attached two-car garage featuring a workshop and extended driveway. Enjoy relaxing on the back patio overlooking the large private fully fenced backyard with plenty of room to entertain. Located on a cul-de-sac in a quiet neighborhood, you are a short drive to everything Chesapeake has to offer. Convenient to retail and shopping centers, recreation.